I sense something's up.
Dimitri.
I didn't want you not to date someone from the office. Always ends badly. Always.
The thing is, you have a personal life and then you have your work life. Bring them together and you got yourself hell.
Well, maybe you're exaggerating a bit.
I think I'm in hell right now. I can feel the heat. It's hot in here.
Shut up about hell.
Look, just because you live your perfect life with your perfect husband and your perfect son doesn't mean that you can just... What?
I have a daughter, not a son.
The photo on your desk, that's a girl?
Yes.
Oh. Sorry.
Okay. If it's really that tough, then end it.
I can't.
Why can't you?
I love him. I hate that I love him.
You have been seeing him for 3 weeks.
And it's been beautiful.
You are full of contradictions. You said it was hell 30 seconds ago.
Huh. Maybe I'm trying to get used to living that way. For when I eventually end up there.
I said all along you should be going for someone like Kevin.
I'd rather do anything than date Kevin. Watch paint dry. Do a 1,000-piece puzzle on some photo of grass. Maybe even do a degree on the science behind how paint actually dries. Anything, really. I'd rather do anything than date Kevin.